Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Christmas is at Costco and I'm taking you with me. Let's go shopping.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe.
I love Costco, but I especially love it during Christmas, and there's a few things I want to share. The first is this gorgeous nutcracker. It does sing, it's animated, it has lights, and it is $2.99. It's just very magical. There's something about his face that reminds me of, I'm not sure, maybe a children's character. Comment down below if you're seeing what I'm seeing. And so I'm going to share with you guys everything they've got for Christmas, and then I'm going to share a haul with you guys of the boring stuff I picked up. They also have this really cute tiered Christmas tree with all kinds of bright lights on it. They also have a beautiful family of snowmen that is $130. So they've got different stands on them. They do light up, and I was noticing there was some twinkle to them. So not a bad price on those at all. Now I have to share this. I'm not a huge Disney fan, but for those of you that are, they do have this and it is quite magical. While I was here, quite a few families came up and just stared at it. Now I believe it is priced at $110, somewhere around $109.99. They do have quite a few Disney characters, and it does light up and have different songs. I'm curious to hear if you are a Disney fan. If you are, comment down below. I would love to know your favorite character. So I'm actually here for some very boring things like groceries. I'm here to pick up the Shark vacuum that has a $70 off coupon right now. And I have to show you this. I shared some of these in my most recent Walmart shop with me for Christmas. And this is a Mr. Christmas light up carousel. It is $170. Very magical. So they did have one similar to this at Walmart. It was smaller. I'll have that shop with me linked for you guys to check out as well if you're into Mr. Christmas. But now let's see what else Costco's got out for Christmas 2021.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind.
sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your happy song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See him in a mangle lake, whom the choirs of angels praise. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid, while our hearts in love we raise. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. In excelsis Deo.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
They definitely have a lot of gifts out at Costco. I might be taking home one of these pies. Something new. I thought this was really yummy sounding. It's a pumpkin loaf. Looks like it's covered in white chocolate shavings. So now on to the house, and I'll show you guys what I picked up. So I did put a few things in the garage, like toilet paper, the salt for the water softener, and my new vacuum. I also picked up some Kirkland's dog food. I've never used this before, but I think it's time to try something new. Let me know if you have, if it's good. Now I've heard these are a dupe for Chick-fil-A, so we're giving those a try. Picked up a couple of different pies. I do like their turkey pot pie. We needed some ibuprofen, and then we have had this curry before. It is really good. Just mix up some vegetables and rice and you're good to go. Butter and chocolate chips are a staple here. I did get some soup. We're expecting some rain, some whipped cream to go with our pie, and some bread items. They also have chips on sale, and we are helping with a youth event, so I picked up plenty of those, some bananas, and these are really good peaches. They're almost gone already. I got some gain for the laundry I'm headed in to do, so thank you so much for coming with me, and I'll see you back very soon.
Oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever